Happy New Year to all. So last month I got myself trade insurance and I wanted to start making some videos of the cars that I buy and obviously make videos on. So I found this for £500. It is an A4 Convertible 2.5 litre TDI V6, and over the next few weeks I'll find out why it was only £500. It drives alright. It's only got 106,000 miles on it. It was advertised as having a boost leak, but I'm not sure whether it might be related to the gearbox. It's got a CVT transmission, which is interesting, but I do like them. The convertible hood works, which is pretty good. It's a good spec. The interior should clean up quite nicely. It's got the sat-nav system, so I'll give this a polish up and see what we've got to deal with. I figured that at £500 I couldn't really go wrong. The known faults are the driver's seat doesn't move, which is apparently related to this module here. It was alleged that it had a boost leak, but I'm not sure if it might be related to the CVT gearbox. So when the car gets warm, it starts to drive quite differently and sort of lag. But £500 for a convertible with a working roof, diesel, 2.5 litre V6 TDI engine, 106,000 miles, 9 months MOT. I don't know how good that MOT is, but it's got an MOT. Seem to get a bit of noise from the fan belt, hopefully just the fan belt, but it does drive nice when the engine's cold or the gearbox is cold. It drives really nice. So providing the car doesn't break on me, I'm going to run it for the next few weeks while cleaning it up and seeing if I can fix any of the known faults, and then I'll make a new video, hopefully of the car in much better condition, and involve everyone in the experience. So thanks for watching and thanks for getting involved, and hopefully I'll be making plenty more of these videos in this new year. Just in the middle of a very quick clear bar compound and polish. Just see how well it can be brought up. I mean, there's a few scratches that are a bit too deep, but at least overall it should look as good as it can. Okay, so just while sat idling outside my unit, the auxiliary belt is shredded. I don't know if you can see that at the bottom there. So I've just rolled it inside because I'm not going to run it in case the rest of the belt snaps and causes damage to the timing belts. And I just thought I'd have a check at the air filter, see if it needs a service, because there's no service history of cars, and there isn't one fitted. So I'm going to have to give it a service as well, no doubt. Right, so what's happened is the bit of squeaking that I just thought was the fan belt was actually the belt for the aircon squeaking, possibly the tensioner misaligned. And what's happened is, while the car's been idling, the belt for the aircon pump has shredded and fed its way into the ancillary belt and almost took that off as well. So that's what I'm going to be fixing, but I've just been lucky that it's not affected anything to do with the timing belt or the balance belt. So I can see fully what's happened now. The bearings for the aircon belt tensioner have escaped, and that's what's caused the belt to come off. So here we've got the new one, so that's what that should look like. So I'll be replacing the belt for this and assessing whether anything needs changing to do with the auxiliary belt.